Hello there, Informed Beauties. Your girl Eunice is here, and we are going to be doing a little bit of a nail tutorial. You guys know that I don't do many nail tutorials, but right now we are all in quarantine and we are all unable to go get our nails done. And you guys know in these past couple of videos, my hands and my nails been looking a little rough. So I am going to share with you guys how I remove my gel polish. Now, the whole point of me, what I'm doing to my nails, let me just give you guys a little bit. First of all, let me give you guys a little bit of background of what I get done with my nails. So my nails are a gel layover. So this is a gel layover on my natural nail. And then I just get gel polish put on. I am about, I want to say, it's been probably a month and a half now that I'm overdue with my nails. And so I've been debating on if I want to get a kit and do it at home. And I really don't enjoy doing nails. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I cannot stand doing nails, but we can't walk around looking like this any longer. Plus, the way that these nails are growing out, this is not healthy for the nail. So you see how you have this new growth and you have that heaviness on that new growth, which is not good. A little bit of history. I am a cosmetologist, so I do know how to do nails myself, okay? And if you are, someone who is not a nail tech or a nail cosmetologist, I definitely would say make sure you do your research before you do anything with your nails, or using any tools so that you don't jack your nails up, all right? So let's get down to the nitty-gritty of what we are going to be doing, or what my goal is with this. So what I'm pretty much doing is that I'm going to be removing the gel color, okay? And then I'm going to just be smoothing out the nail, and filing down the nail and just balancing it out a little bit so that when my nail grows out, it's not hanging too much, and just smoothing it out. I personally really do hope that nail salons get up and running by next month, or else I'm gonna have to definitely get a gel kit and do it myself, okay? I get my nails done at Lac Bar in LA. I did a full review on them, as well as I'll leave the information down below. My girl is Mary Carmen. She is amazing at what she does. And let me tell you guys something else really quickly. You know you have a really good nail tech when it's been over a month or so and none of your nails are lifting. None of these bad boys are lifting at all. That's how you know you got a good nail tech, okay? So we're first gonna start off with, this is the hand that I already started doing. You guys can see that there is probably a little bit of color left behind, which is fine. So the hand file that I'm going to be using is this one here. I did order a whole pack of these bad boys from Amazon. And these are oh my goodness, these are 100 to 180 grit, and these are washable as well. So I just got me a whole pack, and these are really, really great at removing the gel polish, okay? Typically when it comes to removing gel polish, you do use a drill. I don't have a drill because I don't like doing nails. Listen, and if I'm going to invest, I'm going to invest all the way and not like on one of those little cheapy, like, drill sets. But anyways, let's get to the point of this video. I'm talking so much. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually just going to start to file down this nail color. So I'm actually taking the grittier part of the file, and I'm just going to start to remove the nail color. Now, this takes a while by hand. I would definitely suggest, if you can get a really good drill, it won't take you as long, but I'm debating on if I want to even get a drill. And pretty much, I'm going to be doing this until I start to see the color of my natural nail underneath this, the gel. Another thing is that I do have on a coat of clear polish. So you gotta get through the clear polish before you actually hit the coat of color. And then I have about 2 coats of color on my nails, so you have to kind of work through those 2 coats of color. So yeah, you're gonna be filing for some time, but I'll show you guys in a minute what it's gonna look like when you start to see your actual nail color. So as you can see, you can actually see my nail color coming through. So now I want to be a little bit more careful and not file down too much of the gel, because you don't want to go down into my natural, I don't want to go down to my natural nail. So I'm gonna, you know, be very careful. So we're just gonna continue to file off the polish. And then also I like to flip it over and use the softer side. A lot of times too, I notice the softer side, after you use the hard side of the file, it removes the polish a lot better. Sorry if you guys hear people talking outside. They are like right next to my Ugh. Sometimes I don't understand. It's like, you know, people live here. Move. Okay, so just to give you so far where we're at, you can see that pretty much all of the nail color is gone. These little bits of nail color, I am not going to, you know, kill myself over. I just want to get majority of the nail color off, and then I want to go in and I want to shape the nail up, you know. So I'm going to start to shape the nail, and by shaping the nail, I'm just reducing the length, because you don't want that length hanging on this nail, causing tension on your real nail. That's not good for anything. So I'm just going to reshape this nail and try to distribute out that weight so that there's not a lot of weight on, you know, one side of my nail. So I think for me, taking down the length is very important currently, because if the length is too long, you're gonna feel your nail, you guys, you're gonna feel your nail bend. I don't know if you guys have ever felt that before. It does not feel good. You will actually feel your natural nail bending. Like when you go and grab something and that weight is put on the tip of your nail, you'll feel your natural nail fold. I've had that happen a couple of times already, and it makes me so freaking creeped out. So I don't like it. So anyways, you guys, I feel like I'm talking your head off, but I just want to be really informative, and I really want you guys to understand what I'm doing. And if you are going to attempt to remove your own gel nails at home, and maybe if you don't have a drill or anything, like, this is something you can do, and just something that is just very helpful for you guys. All right, so I'm just gonna go ahead and clean off. All right, so let's zoom y'all in real quick. So that is what the nail looks like, and I'm pretty okay with that. Another quick trick is that I hold my thumb under my nails, because they are so long and I have that extra growth. I don't want to put any pressure on my nail, so I hold my other nail underneath it while I'm filing, just to support it. Okay, you know, it's good to, so try to support that nail when you guys are doing that. But anyways, I'm not going to talk anymore, because I feel like I'm talking to you guys' head off. I'm just going to go ahead and finish off these nails, and I'll come back with the final results. Okay, all right, you guys, I am back, and all of my nail color is removed. I have to figure out what I'm going to do with these bad boys, but pretty much the nail color is gone, and they are a little bit more on the evened outside. And I mean, you can go through and definitely buff them if you choose, just to make them a little bit smoother and things of that sort. But I'm very cautious, because like I said, I don't want to remove any more gel than I've already have, because, you know, it's a protective layer over my natural nail that I already have going on. But yeah, you guys, so that is pretty much how to remove your gel polish at home if it's something that you guys need to do currently. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm in such a dilemma of and I put so much work into my nails, you guys, so I don't want to take them off. So I'm gonna have to make some little moves in the next couple of weeks, but of course I will let you guys know what I decide to do. But thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure to rate, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff. And I will see you guys in a later video. Bye.